question for you is, are there any apps, any softwares that you use to sort of speed up your process? Like, I don't know, TubeBuddy, Canva.com. Like, how do you make your thumbnails and anything else? Any software like, or gizmos or apps you use?
I mean, I use Lightroom for photography as a professional photographer. It's one of the most intuitive, just beautiful programs. Classic is available for a very inexpensive subscription rate. You can download it off, Lightroom 5 and Lightroom 6 are available for download online. But I just pay for Lightroom. It's easy enough. It's a great way to shrink images and create, specific size images for thumbnails. That's usually what I do. A lot of my videos, I'll choose the thumbnail from the video out of the 3 that they offer. I really do. But when I want it to be special, I'll try to make a nice image. And, if you look at the live video that's about to go live in 3 hours on my channel, it's got a beautiful poster that we made, Dragonfly Earth Medicine. It's talking about regenerative soil. It's a whole explanation in the poster. Other times, if I do a hash church and there's 15 or 20 of us, I'll take a screenshot of what do they call it? Not speaker view, but gallery view on Zoom, where you can see all the, and then I'll take a screenshot of that and make that. But I don't really use, a ton of apps. I feel like when I was in my heyday of making YouTube videos, I was using a 4K Panasonic camera. I was using a 4K GoPro. I was using a 4K drone. Those were my 3 main cameras that I would create my images with, that I would, sort of edit together. But then I'd also have, photos that I'd put in there. And so anytime there was a photo, anytime there was drone footage, that's where a song would go. So there's an enormous amount. People are always like, "Why you got all that Jamaican music on your YouTube?" And I'm like, well, first of all, because I love Jamaican music, and second of all, because my brethren that are making this music allow me to use it without striking my channel down. That's a pretty big deal, that if you're making videos and you want to use music, you're going to want to figure out how you're going to gain access to music.